Welcome back to Cars Jade Channel. Today we delve into the essence of automotive excellence with the 2025 Rolls-Royce Cullinan Series II. When it comes to luxury, Rolls-Royce consistently sets the bar, and the 2025 Rolls-Royce Cullinan Series II is no exception. Named after the largest gem-quality diamond ever discovered, the Cullinan continues to embody opulence, craftsmanship, and heritage. With the latest updates for 2025, Rolls-Royce has refined its flagship SUV with a mix of aesthetic upgrades and innovative features, ensuring it remains the ultimate statement of exclusivity. While the 2025 Cullinan retains its iconic design, the Series II introduces refined cosmetic enhancements that elevate its already commanding presence. Illuminated Pantheon Grille. The signature grille now lights up, offering a subtle yet striking visual impact. The front bumper is reworked with slanted air intakes, creating a V shape. The rear bumper gets a high-gloss black finish that contributes to an overall bolder look. Wheels. New 7-spoke, 23-inch wheels are precision-milled from a single aluminum billet, ensuring both strength and sophistication. An optional Emperador truffle finish, infused with glass particles, adds a shimmering effect to the exterior. Every detail of the Cullinan Series II's exterior exudes sophistication, cementing its status as the SUV for those who demand nothing less than perfection. The Cullinan's interior is more than a cabin, it's an experience. It seamlessly blends modern innovation with timeless craftsmanship. Box grain leather, hand-selected for its impeccable texture and durability. Lambswool carpeting, soft enough to rival any luxury rug. Duality twill upholstery, a new rayon fabric crafted from bamboo, featuring 2.2 million stitches and 11 miles of thread for a one-of-a-kind texture. Gray-stained ash wood trim. An open-pore finish adds a contemporary touch to the classic wood paneling. Innovative touches. Full-width glass panel. This replaces the traditional dashboard, integrating the instrument cluster and infotainment system into a single sleek display. Artistic perforated leather. Upholstery patterns are inspired by the shifting clouds over Rolls-Royce's Goodwood headquarters, showcasing the brand's dedication to artistry. The heart of the 2025 Cullinan Series II is its twin-turbocharged 6.7-liter V12 engine, producing a majestic 563 horsepower. Known for its unparalleled smoothness, the engine ensures an almost silent drive, so passengers remain undisturbed. Driving dynamics. All-wheel drive. While built for capability, the Cullinan is designed for tarmac luxury rather than off-road adventures. Air suspension. Utilizing a road scanning camera, the air suspension adjusts in real time to ensure a velvety ride, even over imperfect surfaces. Ride comfort. The Cullinan glides effortlessly, delivering the kind of refinement that no other SUV can match. The price of the 2025 Rolls-Royce Cullinan is expected to start around $392,000 and go up to $454,000 depending on the trim and options. Thanks for joining us on this journey. Until next time, drive safe and stay adventurous.